what she wants.
Okay.
Yeah.
Court is in session in clause number 0137441. And the case is styled in the matter of Marina Torres Jimenez. And Ms. Jimenez is here. She speaks Spanish and some English. We have Ms. Jennifer Araji, who the court will allow to interpret for her. Ms. Araji, would you please raise your right hand, Ms. Araji? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God?
Yes, sir.
And do you swear to interpret English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may put your hand down. Ms. Araji, would you please ask Ms. Torres, is her name, is Marina, Ms. Jimenez, if her full name is Marina Torres Jimenez.
Su nombre completo es Marina Torres Jimenez. Yes.
Okay. Ask Ms. Jimenez to raise her right hand.
Levanta la mano derecha.
Ms. Jimenez, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes.
Okay, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Jimenez?
Well, not too good. Got a little pain in my knees.
Oh, okay, well, we hope that that pain in your knee will get better. Okay, now, Ms. Jimenez has filed a motion for non-disclosure under section 411.0725 of the government code. And we have here Mr. Tommy Coleman, who is Assistant District Attorney with the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. Ms. Jimenez, but you may proceed with the proof up.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Ms. Jimenez.
Buenos días.
My name is Tommy Coleman with the Jefferson County DA's office.
You have to repeat that.
Okay. Su nombre es Tommy Coleman de la oficina del DA.
I have here in front of me the petition for an order of non-disclosure that you have filed in this case.
Se lo tienen los papeles que le pediste.
Sí.
And it states here that you were charged or previously charged with the offense of theft and placed on deferred adjudication probation back in 1994, correct?
En el año 94 se pusieron en probation para el theft.
Sí.
And that you successfully completed that probation in 1995, correct?
Y lo completaron.
Sí, sí.
Yes.
In fact, you've attached to your petition a copy of the order dismissing that probation, correct?
Y también le pusiste esta hoja donde dice que ya se acabaron terminando la probation, ¿verdad?
Sí.
And you're telling this court that you are now eligible to have this offense non-disclosed, correct?
Y ustedes están haciendo de la terminación que completaron la probation y le querían quitar la libertad.
Sí.
Yes.
You are telling this court that you satisfy all of the legal requirements under Chapter 411 of the government code to receive a non-disclosure, correct?
Y que usted hizo todo lo que necesitaba hacer de la ley para hacer esa petición. Yes.
You're also saying to this court that since you were discharged from that theft probation, that you have not been convicted or placed on another deferred adjudication probation for any other offenses, correct?
Está diciendo de la terminal que después de terminar con esa petición, ya adelante no tener nada más de provisión de otro. No, correct.
Your Honor, that is all of the questions I have for Ms. Jimenez. I will inform the court that I have in my possession an email from Raymond Shearer in our office to Melanie Smith in your office that indicates that our office is not opposed to this, to the petition for non-disclosure.
Okay, I guess, why is this order in the best interest of justice? That will be another requirement.
Your Honor, if I may, just
You can-
looking at making a cursory review of the file in this case, and noting that Mrs. Jimenez's age in this case, the fact that she has not been convicted of another offense since being placed on probation, I think it's in the best interest for her going forward, if for whatever opportunities she may have that come her way, this offense being disclosed may present a impediment to her. And I don't know what that might be, but there are some impediments to having even being able to see a deferred adjudication on her criminal history. So I certainly can see how it would be in her best interest to have this order of non-disclosure granted, but also in the best interest of the community, in that the community, she could be an example to the community that if you successfully do what you need to do on probation and you stay out of trouble with law enforcement, that not unlike Ms. Jimenez here, you can get that offense non-disclosed and essentially be able to move on with your life.
Okay, the court will find that, well, first of all, the court is going to take judicial notice. Let me see the cause number.
Yes.
Okay, the court is going to take judicial notice of the court's documents that's in the criminal case, cause number 179418. And in that case, that's the case where Ms. Jimenez was placed on deferred adjudicated probation. The court will take judicial notice of the waiver of trial by jury, the application for probation. The court will also take judicial notice of the judgment of probation in that case. That was signed by Judge Pasella on December 8th of 1994. And the court will also take judicial notice of the order dismissing deferred adjudication order. Let's see, Ms. Jimenez, and this was dated July 14th, 1990, yeah, July 14th, 1995, discharging Ms. Jimenez from probation. The court will find that this offense, well, this judgment was prior to or before September 1st of 2017, which makes Ms. Jimenez eligible under section 411.0725 to apply for the non-disclosure because she's not eligible to receive a non-disclosure under section 411.072. The court will also find that the court has a discharge and dismissal in this case, and that the Ms. Jimenez may petition the court and has petitioned court that placed her on deferred adjudication because she was placed on deferred adjudication in County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. And the court finds that she may petition this court for non-disclosure regardless of whether she has been previously convicted or placed on deferred adjudicated community supervision for another offense. The court will also find that the state was given notice and an opportunity for a hearing, and we've had the hearing here today, and the court will find that she is entitled and has filed this motion for petition, and the court finds that it is in the best interest of justice that this petition shall be granted. And the court will also find that this petition is filed after the second anniversary of the discharge or dismissal of this case. And that this is a misdemeanor case. And so at this time, the court is going to grant the non-disclosure. However, the court has to review the petition to make sure that it meets all the requirements, the statutory requirements. And so at this time, the court is granting the non-disclosure, but the court has to review the order to make sure that it qualifies. And if it does not, then the court will add whatever other requirements that's necessary. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, so she's telling, we should have this done a week from today.
Dice que se va a hacer todo completo como una semana de hoy. Okay.
All right?
Does she need to come back?
No,
Okay, so somebody.
no, she don't need to come back, but once the order is signed, she can call the court, that we can let her know that it's been signed. And then if she needs to get a copy, she can get it from the clerk's office.
Okay. Dice que cuando se la tenga, abajo en la oficina de la clase, okay? Que tenga buen día.
All right, thanks a lot, Mr. Raji. Okay, thanks a lot, Mr. Coleman.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Is that all you have for me, Judge?
that's it.
All right.
Well, hold on a minute.